is not how I thought I would start this video. But, okay, so let me just explain this situation because... So, I am wearing clothes. Okay, I am wearing a PVC body. And this situation, okay, here first. So I didn't know if this would actually work, so I had to do it first because I thought if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna like ruin it and it's gonna just really, really annoy me. And these are gonna be my Minnie Mouse ears. Okay, so do you kind of see where we're going here? Okay, so this is like my black, because I don't want to spray my whole hair. Like, I don't even know if the spray is going to come out. This is the situation, okay? So I thought if I just spray these, minimal, we're all good to go. Okay, so I am going to start off with hair. I like to start off with my hair when I'm doing a Halloween look because, I don't know, it just kind of gets it out of the way. I like to focus on the makeup, and if I'm spraying as well, like I don't want to do all my makeup and then spray and then suddenly like I've just sprayed like black or like sprayed like orange, you know, like all over my face and my body. So I'm just going to take a brush and back comb the crap out of my hair. I feel like with Halloween looks, your hair and your skin just go through the goddamn mill. So these are going to be like my little poofy ears. Is this a good idea? Could I have just bought black ears? Yes. The answer to that is yes. And the only annoying thing this is you can't obviously curvy it down, but I think that that just works out as a really cute ear. I feel like there was probably a way easier way to get your ears, but these are mine. I am just throwing on an old dressing gown. Then for my sprays, I can always pick up the brand Smithy, and I just shake a shake, shake a shake. And then I don't spray too far away. I actually spray pretty up close. And I think they're like black enough. Well, mine's just for a photo, so we can kind of like edit them a bit blacker, you know? Okay, so now I have zoomed you in. We are gonna get on to the face. For makeup looks, I tend not to worry too much about kind of like the foundation, the powder, all of that sort of stuff, because really no one's looking at it, okay? I mean, it really does add to the effect, but I'll see for just for a quick like cute Halloween look, I just don't see really the full need. So I am just going to go, so I'm not going to use primer, I am going to go in with my NARS, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear. My shade is Fiji because when I tan, I'm not that tanned. So I'm just going to go and start painting that all over. And I want to put tan on for this look because I kind of want it to be a look that you can wear on a night out, that you can really make like kind of dark and cute, but like still like cute at the same time. Like it's still gonna look good in photos. So I'm not gonna really set this foundation. I'm actually not even gonna use concealer, but I will just set under my eyes just using this Revolution Pro HD little palette here. And I'm just gonna set using one of these kind of lighter shades and just go under. I mean, there's no point in doing this because we're going to just like throw black on anyway. Then we're going to do just a tiny little bit of contour, and I'm just going to use this shade right here and just press that on just to give a little bit of dimension. And I kind of like that it's like a bit of a grey tone as well, because even though that tone is really, really good for contour, if you overuse it, it kind of goes a bit dead looking. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to sculpt out my shape kind of around my face. So for this, I'm going to be using the Diamond FX paints. Look like this. Mine are a bit beat because mine are well used, well loved. So they just come in little pots. that look like that, and you do need to add water to these. And I will say a little goes a very long way. So I'm just using a little bottle of water and I'm just going to pop that in the cap. Does anyone else just not clean their paints or their paint brushes after Halloween? Because I do. And I've literally just had to crack that from last year. I'm taking inspiration from this right here. This is a video. It's now a way to play. I feel like I'm going to get fright. Oh, Bridges Beauty College.
We teased her hair to make her hair into ears.
Ah!
And then we added eyelashes at the top, right below her eyebrows.
Cool. How smart is that? That was so awesome. Like they did what I did. Oh my god. Okay, so that is kind of my inspiration. So Bridges Beauty School is the inspo. So I am just going to draw the shape that goes around. And I love how like black and opaque these paints are. It's what I love. You don't need to kind of layer and layer and layer. They just go on and they're there. They're on, they're doing their thing. Hair in the way, just paint it in. Okay, and then I'm going to do just the nose as well. And then I'm just going to paint my entire eye socket. And you know what? I find this brush that comes with the paints so helpful. Like it makes you get like these just really awesome clean straight edges. Oh my god, I just remembered I used all my makeup remover. Oh no. Shit. Okay, and then I'm just going to take it kind of underneath as well. Yeah, I think that looks so good. So good. Okay, so now we're kind of on, we're getting on. We need to start doing the teeth. The teeth! So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I'm going to use the black. I think I'm just going to sketch some teeth. And I like the kind of smaller teeth into bigger teeth. I kind of feel like that gives more cartoon effect. This is where we become a little bit neater. Okay, so now this is where we start to neaten things up. So I'm going to take, again, just the same brush that we were using for pretty much everything, and the black, and then we're just going to start like really neating it all up. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to fill that whole bottom section in. And just again, the same on the top. I'm actually going to create a new line. So there's just a few wee bits that I want to kind of brighten. So for my eyes, I need to make everything look really, really black. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Artist Colour Pencil in black. I think it's just shade, yep, 100, whatever, black. And I'm just going to put that into my waterline. And just to make sure that my lids stay as black as I want them to, I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette. And I'm just going to dip into that black on a flat brush. And I'm just going to press that all in to almost set that area. And then I'm just going to pop some mascara on, just loads of coats, just because my eyelashes are so fair. Oh, a little smudgy mistake. It's okay, it's Halloween. Oh my god, do you know what is so good about this type of makeup for me, which I just wear every day, is that my lashes can imprint all they flippin' well like. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the little highlight on the nose. Ching! Okay, so now we're going to get into a little bit of a fun part, and I'm going to be going in with my liquid latex because I kind of want to make the eyes look like they're like dripping, they're a bit like sunken. So wish me luck for this. I have no idea how this is actually going to go. So I'm just going to use like just an old brush for this. I kind of feel like I could have just done this with paint. I kind of like it. I'm just going to go with a bit of paint actually. Okay, so now for the blood. So I am just going to be using the coagulated blood from Meron. I'm just going to take it. It's quite thick. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit and bringing it as if it's like bleeding. And I'm just going to start like putting it on the teeth. Just super like messy, random, as if like I just eaten someone. So more around the mouth. One thing I do want to do first actually is just put a bit of black inside. And then we're gonna just kind of so we've got the ears to look like cutesy poopsy. Okay, so now final props wise. Okay, so I've got my little gloves, because Minnie wears gloves. I'm eating the blackness. And then let's just do some blood on the knife also, because duh. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it is mean enough and scary enough and easy enough for you to recreate for your Halloween look. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!